are here again with the data interpretation problem. Here we can see two images, both are pie charts. The image on the left shows the number of chairs in some of the buildings, and the total number is 1600, and the right image shows the number of tables, and the total number of tables is 240. So these are the two major differences between these two diagrams. Other than that, each color code represents different types of buildings. So now let us look into the question. It's a comparison question in which quantity A, we have the number of chairs in building C, which means that we have to look into the left pie diagram, and in quantity B we have the number of tables in building D. So for this we have to look into the right side diagram, and then we have to compare which quantity is bigger, or if they're equal, or if there is even enough information to calculate this. So for the left side, or quantity A, we have the number of chairs in building C. So in building C is represented by this light purple color, which is 17%. So number of chairs in building C is 17% of total, which is 1600. So we can easily calculate this value by multiplying 17 with 16, because both of these zeros are crossed out, and then this is 272. So we have the left quantity. And for quantity B, we have to find out the number of tables in building D. So since the data for tables is on the right diagram, let us look here. So from the legends we can see that building D is again light purple. So it's yellow. So it's 40% of the total number, which is 240. So we can easily calculate, and apparently it will be smaller than quantity A, because there the total number was 1700, which is quite bigger than 240. So even without doing the calculation, it's pretty obvious that quantity A will be bigger. So from this we can get the answer when quantity A is greater. So in this kind of problems, be aware from where you are taking the data, because both these diagrams look similar, but the difference lies in the terms of items and also the total number. So that's where we need to be careful about while we are doing data interpretation mathematics.